Low and slow is the goal here. No need to be a hero.
Clearing the path.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
There he goes. Off into the world. You got a bunch of bugs on your backpack.
They can be there.
That goes out to your blind.
No, comes out over here.
Oh.
Yeah. So you need your map.
I brought it. They just like me. And that's why I don't like the outdoors. See, one just touched me.
Alright. Walking over there. There it is.
Oh yeah, that was no problem.
Coming around. Alright, we gotta get on the other side, Johnny.
Are you gonna smoke me?
No. I'm flying pretty slow.
Nice breeze.
Breeze brought to you by Inverted Aviators RC.
Now, if you make it down there
Barely see it.
and a left and back up that path, that'd be really incredible. That'd be a crazy signal.
Maybe back up like by the house? Or
No,
back, all the way
when you
around?
get down to that intersection you're going to and you go over the little log bridge, take a left.
Okay. I am at the log bridge.
And you take a left, and then instead of going up the path, stay left.
Oh,
And you start going around Bones Corner.
I'm getting dropping signal. Oh wait, I was not at the bridge. Now I'm at the bridge.
Dropping signal already.
I'm at 17 out of 12. Well, it's leveling out. Oh, 15, 14. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around.
That's enough of that.
Still went pretty far amongst all sorts
Know where
of.
you're at.
Yeah.
Sounds of nature.
The deer are wondering.
Like, what in the? What kind of bird is that?
Squirrels can jump
Now you can head out to the field when you come up here. Come up this path and then take a left.
Okay.
Hit my mom. You see yourself?
Yep.
Yep.
Is that a weird experience?
Kind of.
It's just turning up some of the earth for you.
Or when you get to that intersection, if you take a right, you can get down to the other wooden bridge where.
Rose was brave and walked across the bridge.
That's what she said.
No snakes. All the bugs though.
And out in the field.
And you're like, ah.
I can breathe easier.
Yep, there you go.
Switch the flying mode for the easier to fly. Actually,
Go
it's
up and over and go straight above us and come down.
flying straight down is difficult because I can't see what's below me.
Oh.
I did turn the camera so it's as horizontal as it can be because I know I'm not flying fast. And normally, the higher you tilt it, the faster you can go.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, I can't see what's right below. So I'll just go the way I came.
Take a left at this intersection. See how far down you can go.
You anywhere. See, that's what we get. Where are you now?
Come down towards a wooden bridge.
Yeah, I'm just over the wooden bridge.
Huh?
I'm past it.
What's your signal?
It's 25 out of 50. I guess it's megabits per second being sent and received. So it's like you can use that as signal, which I do. I'm at a multiple junction place, but I will turn around.
Which way is the one ticket you just took? Oh, Johnny was. Knocking.
Coming back this way or is it on the other?
Just cycle around.
Real low.
Yep.
Is it on the other tail to the right?
What is nature? If I could be in nature with no bugs, I would like nature.
Which I put about a month ago, there wasn't even a bug back here. It's still not that bad right now. If you're not constantly spawning.
Yeah.
Sounds like you're getting pretty far.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't really know where I am, but I just stayed on the same path, so I was turned around. I got down to 10 megabits per second. I was like,
Down by Bones Corner.
probably.
Not that far,
It's like I'll vaguely recognize it, but I just kept going straight.
So trees. Cool. Did you ever have cherries by Matt and Barb's? Huh? Hmm? We had cherries by James and Sarah's house. Yeah, those weren't good. Cherries by Matt and
We were gonna put, I made those other ones that are under the barn. I'm gonna put a couple out there in the field.
Yeah.
I took the side way around. There's a way straight. Yeah, there's a path here. Maybe I'll go this way.
You haven't gone that way.
Yeah.
You took a turn to come back this way.
Mm-hmm.
Smack that one tomorrow.
Ooh, is that a turtle?
A turtle?
I can't tell yet. Nope, just a stump.
If it was a turtle, I'd go look.
It was a dark stump in the middle,
Mm.
and I couldn't tell what it was.
Got my hopes up.
So sorry.
Where's the worm? There it is. I had to pick it up. That's where everybody knows it's me. Gross. I think it's these types of bugs that are eating me. Let's see. Look at the flashing its butt at me. Uh-oh. Big bug.
Yeah, imagine patrolling your routes with a drone.
Any suspicious activity on the western front?
Yeah, you set up some antennas to boost the signal, and then just do it all from inside.
See, now I lost it. There it is. Good job. I see it. Whoa.
Yeah, a little too close to the ground, so I had to throttle up a little bit. I was trying to go really close, and then I got too close.
Or back to the Duma.
I'm gonna go back towards that field. Left blinker.
What is that sound? It's like a baby crying. Get your bird app out.
It's just like a human child. Like, huh. Now I can get a little more.
She goes to help the baby.
Trying to fly faster so I can cool the air unit.
Does that help?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It relies on the airflow of the vehicle to cool it down because it's sending so much data and it's so small. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm just ripping around. I wonder if I could... So could I go back to that first opening? But that's kind of far away.
The rock one?
The one close to the house.
Oh. Oh, up in the air and come back.
Yeah.
It has a dew point of 74.5 and humidity of 81 now. Says the temp's only 80 with that humidity.
I started to go down below the tree line, like by the house, and I got a link quality warning, which makes sense. There's tons of trees then, so I'll just go back to the other opening. The first link quality warning I seen was just, oh yeah, there's a lot of trees in between. Now it's the hard part of like, where is that opening? I think I found it.
Not there yet.
I think I'm right at it. At least I'm at
Almost there.
an
There you
opening.
are.
It's like I'm just looking for some brown path amongst the grass. I'll do one more little loop around and then...
You make a loop around, we'll walk this way and we'll flip the camera.
Okay.
I won't leave you.
Thanks.
I'll just keep going around. Bye, bug. Are you eternally grateful? You see him?
Yep. I'm just watching them.
You should just follow him closely behind.
So I was letting them...
Just zoom right through them. Shoop.
Let them have their moment, but following at a distance. And they're going back this way. I'm still just walking or following. Very cute.
Hey, get out of here, man.
Hey! Now hopefully they turn and walk back towards us and I can just keep following. Yes, good. They're getting perfect view of their marriage and of their paths. You be cinematic right now, I'm flying. Give a wave. You're right in between them. Or not.
I said I was right in between them.
Alright, I'm gonna land. This is gonna be, it's just gonna be a plunk down landing. Plunk. Just, yeah, that was the goal. Was just, I'm not gonna get any cute and try to land on the box.